Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shilazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the ace production technique that is in my intro video, because there were many comments asking me that where they can find that ace production technique tutorial, but there are no tutorials until now. There are no tutorials of this ace production technique because that is my own original creation that I did a long time ago and then compiled it into the intro video. So for that reason, I'm making this tutorial so that you guys can also learn that same technique, and hopefully you guys will be enjoying learning this technique. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Puneet Jain. Follow him on Instagram. Link will be given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, here's the performance. Now as you can see, I have this deck of cards. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to shuffle this in front of you so that you don't suspect me of arranging these cards in any kind of order or something like that. That's one shuffle, that's the second one. And after the shuffles, you're pretty sure that the deck of cards is mixed, right? Now what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to take a look at the top card and then find the four aces. So the top card is an ace, and here's how we are going to find the four aces just at the same time. So that's the ace production technique, and let's see how you can do this technique. Okay guys, this is how this ace production is done. Now if you want to see the original video where I did the performance and whose clip is actually included in the intro video of my every video, if you want to see that video is named as Mirrors, the Halloween trick that I did, and it is available in the advanced magic performance playlist section, which will be given right over here. So if you want to check that out, you can check it. And this is how the performance is done. Now at first, while you're going to just do the this four aces trick, all you're going to do is you have to set up these cards beforehand. Okay, so the top three cards that you see over here that are face down are the three aces, and the fourth card is a faced up ace, and this is placed on the top of the deck. Okay, now at this point all you're going to do is you're going to do some couple of false shuffles and then just keep this order as it is. Okay, doesn't really matter, the order of the other cards doesn't really matter. These four cards should not get altered, okay, and they should be right on top of the deck. And then after doing the false shuffles, all you're going to do is you're going to take a break under the top two cards and lift these two cards as one, just a little bit. You're not going to lift them much, you're going to lift them a little bit enough so that you can use your thumb to get a good grip at this corner. Okay, the corner that is close to this thumb. Okay, so you're going to just place your thumb over here and you're going to just take these two cards as one, and you're going to use your middle finger and you're going to place the finger on the opposite corner, just diagonally opposite to the thumb. Okay, so you're going to place these two fingers over here, and then you're going to lift these two cards up, and while you lift these two cards up, use this thumb to rotate this card. And after rotating this card, you're going to bring this thumb right over here, and then you're going to use your middle finger and this thumb to revolve the card around your fingers. Okay, to rotate the card around your fingers. And as you do that, you have to be very fast, otherwise you can see that the cards are separating itself. Okay, so for that reason, if you do this move fast, the cards won't separate. Okay, so all you have to do is after taking the double lift, you are going to just rotate the card and then revolve it around your fingers, and then you're going to just, after you come at this point while revolving, you're going to just hold this entire card with these three fingers. Okay, and then as you hold that card, these two cards with these three fingers as one, you're turning your hand this side, and while you're turning your hand this side, you're using this thumb to slide off the top ace, which is the last face down ace, and you're going to just turn it over onto the bottom of the deck. and the other faced up ace appears, and this happens when this hand comes from this position to this position and opens up these two aces. So all you're going to do is, after doing the rotation, you have to just split the two aces over here while your hand comes over here, and as you start splitting the aces and turning your hand, at the same time you're also going to use your thumb to open up these two cards. Okay, now this was a bit flashy, but here is what happens, okay, in slow motion. So the cards are over here, these two cards, after the rotation. Then when you turn your hand over here, you also split these two aces and clip this ace to the bottom of the deck, and it turns face up, and that's how this ace production is done. Now you can also do this with spectator selected card, or maybe you can put the aces in the other positions, and then you have to control these four aces to the bottom of the deck, and after controlling it to the bottom of the deck, you have to just turn this bottom card over and then control these four cards from the bottom to the top in any ways you like, and after that you're set up for doing this ace production technique. So that's how this ace production is done, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Sholazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.